Hi, it's me, Doreen. I'm at the Rubinstein Art Center on Duke University campus, I believe. Anyway, this is an Artomatic converted cigarette machine to vend art. So I'm gonna pick one and go for it. So it's $5 each. Here I go, putting my money in. Okay, I'm gonna randomly pick one of these. I'm going to pick this one. Oh. And there it is. I got my art. Ooh, it's heavy. Oh, it's a block of wood. It's right on a block of wood. How do you like that? Very pretty. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, here we go. Okay. There we go. There you have it. I don't think all of them, some of them I know some of them come folded up in a little box. This is a surprise to me. It's a block of wood, but it's really pretty. By Eleonora. Okay, there we go. Anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks. Bye-bye.